You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, meaning those who come from pilgrimage or fight from the New Testament. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, more biblical names, make sure to stay tuned. So let's break it down. Gergesenes. Gergesenes. With a Z sound at the end. The stress is on the first syllable, so let's listen to it carefully again. Gergesenes. Stay tuned to learn similar city names from the Bible. Gergesenes pronunciation, how to pronounce Gergesenes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.